6:50 and tax filing season is officially underway, and thieves are trying to steal your tax returns.
This morning, the News 5 investigative team is digging into how you can protect yourself. 5 on your side, Chief Investigator Ron Regan found out it couldn't come at a better time.
That's because it's your personal information that could be used for anything, including your tax return. Every day, Ohioans are waking up and discovering their identities were stolen.
You feel violated. Someone out there has your personal information, and they're trying to obtain money at your expense.
Like so many others, he got a letter from state unemployment officials about his new benefits,
which came as quite a surprise, seeing that I am employed and have not filed for unemployment.
Even the governor and lieutenant governor are victims. So far, 70,000 Ohioans have filed identity theft complaints. Luis Garcia is with the Internal Revenue Service.
There was an explosion in identity theft about 8 years ago.
And it's posing a huge threat to your tax refund.
You'll file your return and find that it gets rejected, and it's rejected because somebody had already come in claiming to be you.
We found this Treasury Inspector General report. It reveals the IRS identified more than 400,000 tax returns as confirmed identity theft, preventing nearly $2 billion in fraudulent refunds just in 2019. Even so, it estimates identity thieves were still successful in receiving an estimated $90 to $380 million in fraudulent tax refunds. Fraud experts are sounding the alarm.
There have been massive numbers of data breaches, and these are going to lead to billions of dollars worth of money lost for income tax identity theft.
But we also found a way to protect yourself.
It's called the IRS Identity Protection PIN.
It's a 6-digit number you can apply for on the IRS website that protects taxpayers when filing.
What we did is we issued them a PIN that only they knew and we knew, and that way nobody could file a tax return on their behalf.
This IRS form can also be used to apply by mail.
You have it, we have it. Anybody who tries to file under your name and doesn't have it is going to be rejected, and that protects you.
Protection victims are desperate for.
It's like, what's going to happen next? You just don't know. And it's scary.
And the IRS says the PIN is good for only 1 year, and you must reapply for a new one every year. I'm Chief Investigator Ron Regan.